Hello, I'm Damon Meads with 3essentials Hosting. This video is going to provide you a step-by-step tutorial on how to transfer files from your desktop computer to your virtual desktop or VPS. I'll use the term VPS during this discussion, and for the scope of this conversation you can consider those terms, the virtual desktop and VPS, to be one and the same. Now there's a couple of different ways to transfer files to your VPS, but in this tutorial we're going to focus on using the RDP client's built-in mechanism for sharing resources between your desktop PC and the VPS that you connect to. We'll explain that a little bit better in just a moment. We're going to start by launching the RDP client. The RDP client is the software that you use to connect to the VPS, and the most commonly used RDP client is the one built into Windows. And the quickest way to launch this on any Windows operating system is to simply click the Start button, and in the Run window type in mstsc.exe. This is the executable for the Microsoft Terminal Services Client. That's the MSTSC. You can actually just drop off the exe on most Windows operating systems, and this will work just fine as well. When you launch that, it'll bring up, and I'll move it over to the window we're recording on, the Remote Desktop Connection Connect window. Now before you connect, we need to change the options in order to enable the sharing feature that I referenced. So click the Options pull down, and again, depending on your Windows operating system, where that Options button is located may vary just slightly. Click the Local Resources tab and go under the More button. Here we see a list of all of the drives on my local computer that I can make available shared over this RDP session and sharing them with the VPS connection. So I'm going to share my local disk, the C drive, because that's where the files are that I want to get copied up to the VPS. Simply check that box and click OK. We'll move back to our General tab. We'll put the user in here correctly. We'll properly input the host name or computer name of our VPS server, our VPS desktop, and connect. Accept the various prompts, and we'll enter our password once prompted. Okay, so now we're connected over RDP to our VPS. And if we simply open up Windows Explorer and look under my computer, we're going to see the VPS's C drive, and we're going to see one other device that is now shown up. In the other category, we find C on Nacho Laptop. Well, my desktop computer is called Nacho Laptop. It's actually a laptop, and it's Nacho Laptop. It's my laptop. So that's the C drive on Nacho Laptop, and it's available to us on the VPS here, just like it's a local drive on the VPS system itself. It's been shared through the VPS, through the RDP connection. So if I want to copy a file from Nacho Laptop, my desktop PC, over to the desktop of my VPS, I simply find and select the file, and then drag and drop it to the desktop, just like you would copy any file from one folder to another on any computer. We say yes, we want to copy it here, and boom, the file has been copied. So here's the copy of it on my local computer, showing as C on Nacho Laptop, and here's the copy on my VPS. I've just successfully transferred a file from my computer up to my VPS. And that's it.